Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreyashi and I am a software engineer by profession, and I love to make videos in skincare, travel, lifestyle and food. So for today, I have this very interesting topic which is going to help a lot of you and which helps me a lot in holistic living, basically my routine and healthy habits that I incorporate in my routine. But these healthy habits are not your regular habits. These all are taken from Ayurveda. Ayurveda is an Indian medicine field. Okay, Ayur means life and Veda means science or knowledge. So it's the science of life or the knowledge of life. And it is 5,000 years old. And traditionally, Indians have been practicing a lot of things. They've taken a lot of things from Ayurveda. And even now, science has come up with research and papers which supports the Ayurveda way of life. Ayurveda as a science has Dinacharya and Ritucharya. Dinacharya is the daily habits that you incorporate in your life and follow it daily. It should be a part of your daily routine. And Ritucharya is seasonal. So as the season changes, like our seasons change every 3-4 months. So as the season change, according to the Indian calendars, this is how your practices should be changing. Having said that, I do not necessarily have to completely get off the modern science and just be completely dependent of Ayurveda. To each his own. If you want to do that, go ahead and do that. If you want to be like me, I believe in mixing up things. I believe in mixing up the modern day science with Ayurveda way of living. And even if I get to learn something from like probably traditional Chinese medicine or some other medicinal field from different country, I would definitely, if something suits me, I would definitely imbibe it in my life. So for today, I am going to be sharing a lot of habits that I have incorporated in my life, in my lifestyle, in my routine, whether it's daily routine, monthly routine, whatever it is, or weekly routine. And I try to follow them as much as possible. Some of these are non-negotiables because I do that every single day. So yeah, let's not wait and let's get started. I would like to begin with a practice which I do every single day without fail, and which is tongue cleaning. In Ayurveda, this is called Jiva Nirlekhna. This is a tongue cleaner. This one is a copper tongue cleaner, which I use. So what you do is you brush your teeth and then you scrape off everything that is deposited on your tongue every day. So I brush my teeth twice, and I also scrape off my tongue twice, once in the morning and once in the night. This is an ancient Indian practice to remove the ama. Ama is toxins from your body which is deposited on which gets accumulated onto your tongue, and it also results in a lot of bad breath. So if you are brushing your teeth in the morning, it's highly beneficial if you just scrape off your tongue to get rid of all the bad breath that you have and all the toxins that have gotten deposited after the night's digestion of the food that takes place. And regular tongue scraping, like if you do it every day, and it has to be a part of your dinacharya. If you do that every day, it kind of helps in your digestion, it improves your digestion, and also your oral hygiene, gives you a fresh feeling and a pleasant feeling in your mouth. The next thing that I do again for my oral hygiene is Gandusha. So Gandusha has been really popular since the time of COVID. I think in the pandemic it became quite a thing, which is popularly known as oil pulling. So what you do is, I use this coconut oil. This is extra virgin coconut oil, cold pressed, 100%. And you can use any oil, basically coconut, sesame, which is tilli ka tel, and your mustard oil, which is sarson ka tel. You can use any of those oils which you have. So what you do is, after you have brushed your teeth and after you have scraped off your tongue, you take a spoonful of this coconut oil and just swish it in your mouth like this. Do it for beginners, do it for 5 minutes, build it up to 10 to 15 minutes, as much time it permits. So when you take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and you swish it into your mouth, the saliva in your mouth also gets mixed with it. Okay, so the quantity keeps on increasing, and at a point you won't be able to hold it in. So that is when you just dump it in the dustbin. Okay, you don't dump it in your wash basin, because at the pipes will get clogged. So dump it in the dustbin, throw it out, spit it out in the dustbin, and just gargle your mouth with some warm water so that the oil doesn't stay in your mouth for longer. Why do we do this oil pulling? Because it's amazing for gum diseases. What it helps is it strengthens your gums, also helps in healing bleeding gums, and it also keeps your breath fresh for longer, and it just massages your entire gum area, and it also like kind of pulls in everything. So the oil pulls every other bacteria or anything that has stayed on even after brushing. It will pull in, and it will just, you can just spit it out since it gets into the oil and dissolves in it. It also, for people who want like a really nice jawline, it will also help you with your jawline because you were just massaging it. That was a joke, but it might help you. You never know. The other thing that I do daily is something that I've recently discovered, and I cannot just let go of it, which is called as Netra Shuddhi. So my eyes are very prone to keeping in dirt and attracting dirt and all the pollution that is there. So it stays in my eyes, and then it results in a lot of styes in my eye. My eyes are very prone to styes. I have shown it to so many doctors, and they also keep saying that just keep your eyes clean, keep your eyes clean. But no matter how much I clean my eyes, I am bound to get styes. So recently, my sister-in-law suggested that I should wash my eye with Trifla, and then I got to know about this really amazing practice called Netra Shuddhi. I have these eye cups, okay, which look like this. These are the eye cups. These are made up of glass. I got them from Ayurveda. And these eye cups, what you do is fill in with some Trifla wash and put it over your eyes, and then blink your eyes in that Trifla water. It will sting a little bit. Basically, it will feel like something is in your eyes. And then you do some exercises like rotating your eyes counterclockwise, clockwise, up and down, and then just keep blinking it in it. I also make my own Trifla eye wash. This bottle, ignore the bottle, but this is a glass bottle. And what I've done is I've taken like half a liter of water and 1/4 teaspoon of Trifla in it. So I boil the water, add 1/4 teaspoon of Trifla in it, and then let it rest for the entire night. And the next morning, I just sieve it multiple times to remove the excess of the substance from Trifla. And then I just pour this in the 2 cups that I have. And then these cups will create a vacuum in your eyes, so the water doesn't fall off. So even if you want to sit like this, you can do that. And it is an excellent way to wash off everything that is present in your eye and strengthen your eyes. So Netra Shuddhi is another Dinacharya routine that I have incorporated in my life, and it is working wonders for my eye. You know, a lot of people suffer from dry eyes. So this particular Netra Shuddhi eye wash with Trifla is amazing in that. And then since you'll be exercising, you are blinking it, rotating it, it will also help in reducing the stress and strain that comes onto our eyes for sitting at the computer, the laptop, or the phone for longer hours. It really is an amazing practice. I would highly recommend you to try Netra Shuddhi. You can get these glass cups from Ayurveda or anywhere from Amazon as well. And they also have copper cups. I would not recommend plastic cups. They have a lot of plastic cups as well, but I would not really recommend that. For my nose, there are 2 things that I do. One which is daily, Dinacharya, which is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is, you know, a lot of people say that Kapalbhati is a pranayam, but it's not a pranayam. It's a cleansing kriya. Okay, it's a shat kriya. There are 6 cleansing kriyas, and one of them is Kapalbhati. So Kapal is your skull, and Bhati is shine. So it's like the skull shining kriya. It just releases everything. It releases the sinuses. It helps to increase the blood flow to your heart, and it just gets rid of all the things that have gotten deposited in your nostrils. So Kapalbhati Kriya is something that I do every morning, 3 rounds. You can start with 30 counts in each round, and then build it up to like maybe 100, as much as you want. Like, take it easy. You don't have to go in all 100, but like 3 rounds every morning is something that I do. And the next thing that I also do, which is probably not daily, not daily, but it's bi-weekly or weekly, and this is called as Jal Neeti. This is a Jal Neeti pot, and you take some lukewarm water, add in the salt. Salt should be non-iodized, and what you do is you take this nozzle put it in one of your nostrils and breathe through your mouth, and the other way it will come up. Now again, please do not try this at home. Always try it under supervision. I tried it with my yoga teacher. She helped me understand how to go about Jal Neeti. But it just clears up your nose, it clears up your nostrils, and it also provides a lot of health benefits to your nostrils because it is clearing everything up. So if you have like infections or anything, Jal Neeti works wonder for it. And another thing that you can do is post Jal Neeti is called Nasyam. Nasyam is something you can do even like daily. This is a ceramic Jal Neeti pot, and always, if you haven't tried Jal Neeti, always do it under the guidance or surveillance of a practicing of a yoga teacher, professional yoga teacher. Do not try this on your own, okay? Learn it from your professional. You also get like steel ones and then copper ones, and I have this ceramic one. I got it on Amazon, and I do it bi-weekly or weekly as time permits and as and when I remember, but it is something that I do. Now, another thing that I forgot while explaining about Kapalbhati is that one more thing I do is applying oil in my nostrils. So what I do is I take some Nasyam oil. I have a Ayurvedic Nasyam oil, which was given to me by my sister-in-law, again, the one who told me about Trifla eye wash. She is an Ayurvedic doctor. So she also sent us a Nasyam oil, and you just take that Nasyam oil, massage your nostrils, and then do the Kapalbhati. So basically, Nasyam is a Panchakarma technique. When you go for Panchakarma in Ayurveda, they do Nasyam for your oil. It's using medicinal Ayurvedic oil, but you can even use your regular sarson ka oil, like mustard oil, teli ka tel, coconut oil, or the Ayurvedic medicine oil that you have. It gets rid of all the toxins that is in your nostrils, and it says that the nerves go up till the brain, so revitalizes your nervous system, helps the brain function properly. That are the added benefits of Nasyam. Next, coming on to my body, this is something which I do every day. It's called Garshana or dry brushing. I have this dry brush. It has like these hard bristles, and before stepping into my shower, I just brush it on all over my body, and the movement should be towards the heart. So you just take it up. So if you're brushing on your hands, so the movement should be up towards your heart. Even on your stomach, it should be up towards your heart, and from your it should be towards your heart redirected. And this is an amazing technique. It's called Garshana. It is good for your getting rid of your lethargy, revitalizes your body. Flow of the lymphatic system helps is much better, gets rid of any lethargy or any kind of sluggishness if you're feeling. So before and it also helps in getting rid of the dead skin cells as a skin benefit, added skin benefits. The skin's texture improves, although it's a little harsh on your skin initially, but when you keep practicing it every day, it gets much better. Originally, Garshana was done using raw silk or linen cloth, but these bristle tools are really beneficial, can get easily over Amazon, and it is going to really up your skin game, body skin game, and also your energy level. The next thing is something that I should do more often, but I don't. Again, it's related to your body, and since this is dry brushing, this is something called as Abhyanga, which I do using like a tilly sesame oil. I don't like mustard oil, so I always use the sesame oil. I just warm it up a little bit, and then again, as you massage it towards your heart, I do the same, apply it and then massage it towards my heart. So it is again an excellent way of improving your blood circulation, also hydrating your whole body. You don't have to do it every day, but especially in the winter months, the kapha months, when you're transitioning from winter and there's extreme dryness around, you should do this for your body with some like warmed up oil, and it's going to be an excellent way of self-care. I'm a strong believer of self-care and self-love. So, and self-care begins with taking care of your own body first. So these all things help me take care of my body better. And apart from this, I also do the Abhyanga. Abhyanga means foot massage. Foot massage is something I do regularly. I have also made a video, you can check it out, how I take care, and I've also shown how I massage my feet. And I use this Kans wand. This is a Kans tool which I use to massage my foot, and it helps in increasing my sleep. It makes my sleep better. It also keeps my feet clean and moisturized. And like, there are a lot of nerve endings on your feet, so when you massage it, it all helps all the organs release all the stress that they're going through. So it's an excellent way of sleeping better and keeping your organs healthy. Last two things are something that I love and I do every day. I try to do every day. One is pranayama. Pranayama is non-negotiable. I do anulom vilom. I also do box breathing, which is equal inhalation, exhalation, and holding. And I also do Surya Bheda and Chandra Bheda before anulom vilom. Then I ended up with long deep breaths and long deep inhales and exhales, because to recharge my parasympathetic nervous system and calm down my sympathetic nervous system, because again, it's going to work all throughout the day. So my parasympathetic nervous system has to get activated when I do pranayama, and it really calms down my nervous system. It's like my meditation time when I do my pranayama and meditation, and it's a daily ritual. It's a non-negotiable. Last thing is yoga. Yoga is something that I've been doing since I was a child, but these days, since with my workout and work and everything, I'm not able to do yoga every day, but I try to do it like once or twice a week, so that to keep myself sane and get the benefits of yoga. These were the 10 Ayurveda practices that I have incorporated in my life, and I hope you have taken something from each of these. I just feel that I'm a staunch believer of Ayurveda, and it's again, as I've said before, I believe in modern day science. I believe in Ayurveda, traditional Indian medicine, and I do not completely believe in only one. It's a mix of both. This was it. I hope this video helped you in some way, and you know the drill. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and please like, share and subscribe. I will see you very soon. Until next time, bye bye.